Action!
This house suits you.
So this is our house. We are waterproof. We are
out of air and out of water.
we have windows.
We have the windows and there is so much light in the house now. The wood finish of the walls is over, on inside and outside.
In the both dormitories, the floor is installed by my parents.
The parents of Vlad that have been helping us so much, and now
Thank you, parents.
Thank you so much. And now they are at almost half of the living room, so we are almost completely done with the floor.
Yeah, next week we will be done with the floor, and this is amazing. We can start to put furniture.
Yes.
It's
Can
wonderful.
you imagine that? We can put furniture.
Guys, we just received the windows frames. There are 22 in total, and all the accessories. Oh my god, I cannot believe. Tomorrow morning at 7 sharp they will be coming to install. They will come with the glass. Now they are just the frames and the accessories. The huge frames.
This is the alternative for foam. Pre-compressed band. So we have 5 months since we started this project, and we're very happy.
I feel like the wave of extreme tiredness kind of went over and we feel a bit more lighted and a bit more energized than in the past weeks.
We still need holidays, but
Still in holidays.
we are grateful, you know?
Yes, very.
So in 2 days the electrician will come and connect all the cables, so we'll have electricity. We can put a fridge, we can put a heater,
A lamp.
a lamp, yeah.
The final big purchase would be the stove, so we can stay warm in the winter.
Yeah, the installation is it's ready and it's just waiting for the stove
To be installed.
to be installed and to be connected to the heaters that we have to buy them also.
Install, yes.
We have a cat and we have our pellet stove just arrived and was dropped in front of the house. We have no idea how we're gonna put it inside. It's 200 kilos.
This is our church.
Our new religion.
This is our God. We will pray to
For him to give us heat.
this entity to give us heat every day and every night. It's a Ferroli pellet stove heater, and
And it's a hydro
it's hydro stove.
Yeah.
We will heat all the house, and the water from this stove will go to the heaters in the house.
Yes, we have 4 heaters in the house. So yeah, and we're gonna heat the water to take showers.
Finally, we arrived at this point.
My god.
Whew. We just found out that the pellets they got more expensive, and as everyone knows, all the prices are going up, but that's life. At least we arrived in this magnificent point where we have a house and a heater.
I'm so proud, lady. Kitty, what you doing? Let's you up. This house suits you.
And afterwards we want to dig a well with a professional team, and this is one like the final big step that we have to do, and we are a bit nervous.
Yeah, the scariest one because it's so random. Unfortunately, even the most professional people that we found to make it cannot cannot guarantee anything to us. So
it means that they can dig 50 meters in the ground, and there is a possibility that there is no water, or there is a possibility that the water it will not be good one. So
potable one.
we have to dig more, or we have to dig in another place. This is very annoying, to start to invest money in something that doesn't give you at least a minimum guarantee that you arrive to something.
We are too aware of all the kind of scenarios that it can be, so obviously it's a bit scary, but we are lucky people, no?
Yeah, let's hope.
It's gonna be alright.
We have the impression that everyone is on the rush here in Romania. It's like everyone wants to compensate the year that they stayed isolated since the pandemics, and everyone wants to do something. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do 10 things in the same time, because afterwards who knows what will happen. Another pandemic will come, or
Another lockdown, yeah.
a lockdown, and it's a bit stressful to see the people in this way. All the people. There is not even one person that stays at the fire and reads a book.
Yeah.
Or listen to some music and chill, or paints.
It's quite hectic, yeah. So we are really looking forward to be able to slow down ourselves.
Let's take you on a little tour to show you what's going on. We haven't filmed in a while and quite a lot of things are moving on, so let's go. So the parquet have been installed, and we have the parents of Vlad installed with us the finissage for the rooms, as well as in the corners. Let's go. It's a pretty day. Finally flashing on the window. And outside, we have been cleaning a lot, removing all this shit from in front of the house. Woo! So no more mouses can stay there. And we are disassembling this little tent.
So
Let's do it.
let's do it.
See you guys.
See you.